Where is the momentum? Day trading live this morning, looking for an opportunity, just not finding it. Nothing looking good. Nothing looking like a good setup for me to jump into, to make money on. And well, you know what I've been talking about? I've been really trying to stress this idea of not forcing trades, of not going and doing something stupid. And well, today I'm actually doing that. I'm actually following my own advice. So you'll see kind of what went down in the video today. So let's do it. So taking a look here at MTSL this morning. I like to see MTSL get above this 360 area. You can see here on the daily chart why that 360 area is important, because we've been getting stuck there at 360 the last couple days. So I want to see this. I like maybe to see this break above like $4 if it really has power, wants to go. But until then, I really just don't like it. I'm going to stay away from it. You can see how it's had just some big old nasty drops recently, and I feel like this 360 area just is going to be a strong resistance. Pre-market again this morning, having trouble there at 360. Yesterday 370. So that's what I don't like about it, and I'm going to stay away from it until I see a beautiful opportunity. So we're 3 minutes into the market open on a Friday here, and everything just not having the power. SAEX this morning up there, the 250 area, pulling back down there. I'm not a big fan of this stock either. We've already traded it before. It's been kind of bouncing around, doing its thing, but I got a thing about trading stocks that have already kind of made moves and then crashed back down. I feel like once a stock makes a big move, like kind of for the month or for the week or whatever, if a stock makes that big move and it can't really show strength and it kind of crashes back down, it kind of scares people away, or you get a lot of bag holders, or people just kind of, it messes up the momentum and just kind of slows the stock down. And you know, you got to really be careful trading these types of setups. If they don't have the power, don't have the opportunity, just gonna stay away from them. Just staying away from them. And today is Friday, so you know how I feel about Fridays. MTSL up there to 355, having trouble there at the 355 area, pulling back down there to 320. Same thing, don't like it. CLF kind of was showing some promise from the 885 area up there to 950. Pre-market was keeping an eye on it. There are shares just short, but just didn't have the opportunity. It kind of just started to just crash right down there. I was hoping maybe a little bit of a spike, maybe get overextended there and then look for an opportunity to short, but you can see just not having that opportunity there. Again, SAEX, you know, just pushing up there very slowly from 230 up there to 243, you know, just not really ramping up here like we like to see them. Maybe we'll get a little bit more ramp here, but still, I like to see this needs to get over 250, 260 area. You can see on the daily chart, recently the stock getting up to 276, and the next day up there to 370, and then crashing back down. Pretty much, it's just been spiking up, crashing back down. Look at this candle here, daily candle, up there to 247, and then just crashing right back down, all the way back down there to $1.50. So I'm staying away from it. I'm playing as smart here, protecting my capital. I don't need to trade. I don't have to force trades to make money in the market. I just need to wait, watch. I just need to wait and be patient and wait for the right. I just need to wait for the right opportunity. And right now, the right opportunity is just not there. You can see this is just kind of choppy. Just not really doing what we needed to do. We'll see if SAEX can get above that 250 area here. Pre-market high so far today is 258. So over that pre-market high, probably get some action, get people stepping in there, day traders and momentum traders who look for those pre-market highs to break. And that's kind of, got the stock over here, ADOM, making some moves from, what, 78 cents up there to 87 cents. Yesterday, it got up there to $1, had trouble at $1, and then pulled back down there. Kind of the same setup, you know, big spike up there and then just crashing back down. Don't love it. Don't love it at all. MTSL doing exactly what we were afraid of, getting up there to the 355, pulling back down there to $3 now. Where's the momentum? The momentum, it just isn't here today. Doesn't look like it's happening. Doesn't look like it's happening. And that's just part of it sometimes. There's going to be days where I might not make a trade, and I got to be okay with that. I need to be okay with not being in a trade. That's one of the things I had to battle a lot when I was first starting to trade. When I first started to trade, I thought that like as soon as the bell rang, I had to be in a trade, and I had to be in a trade for 8 hours straight, and I had to just be trading, making as many trades as possible, trying to get every little bounce. You know, SAEX, maybe I could have jumped in there at 216, try to get a little 10, 20 cent bounce there, but it's just not worth it. The power is not there, the action isn't there. So why force it? Why try to make something happen when, it's just not happening? TLRY is one of the first, I believe, marijuana companies to IPO on the NASDAQ. You can see, I think yesterday, this thing IPO'd. I think it was supposed to open up at like 17. Looks like it opened up a little higher there. Spiked on that first 15-minute candle from $20 up there to 24. Pulling back down there and then getting back up there to that $24 area. And then this morning making a nice little spike there from $22.80 up there at $25.40. So always interesting to see how these IPOs kind of play out there when they first open up and the action that's there. So SAEX just battling right there at that 244 area. If you watch how this stock's trading, it's like basically one penny back and forth. There's some buyer there at 240. Got seller sitting there at 230, and then it's just down, up, down. Just too much of a battle for me. I like to see stocks that are just going up, that show strength, that aren't, getting stuck every penny. Like this right now, 240. Okay, now we got a seller at 241. Okay, now we're at 241 again. Back there at 243. And it's kind of battling in that 240 area. And it's just not the type of momentum or opportunity that we want to be trading. Also, something to notice here is SAEX has 4.3 million shares traded, and so far it's only went from 218 up there to 250. So, it's had tons of volume. It's got a lot of buying action going on here, but the stock just really isn't moving overall. Not like we normally see with these types of setups and these stocks. From 216 to 252 just isn't enough of a range to really kind of jump in there and be safe, take profit kind of thing. So you got to be careful. Again, right there at 250 area, just having trouble getting stuck there, not liking it. TLRY up there at 25.88, pulling back down there at 25. The momentum just isn't there. And what I keep talking about all the time, I keep making these videos, I keep talking about in the videos how I really just need to be waiting for the right opportunity, for the right situation. I need to be waiting for the right opportunity, the right setup. And well, today it's just not there. The momentum isn't there. It's Friday. Normally on Fridays you have less momentum going into the weekend. A lot of the day traders who made all the money for the week are playing it safe on Friday because nobody wants to go and have a big red day right before the weekend, because you got 2 days to sit there and basically think about what you did wrong and not make any money. So a lot of people I feel like Fridays are just kind of sitting back and waiting, watching. But today, just not having that opportunity that we need to really make a move here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just close this out, walk away. No trades for me today. No trades, no trades, no trades. So we're playing it safe, and I'll talk to you guys later on.